Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be answering a question that we've gotten from a subscriber on our YouTube channel, which is, can I successfully apply for a permanent residency inside Canada after completing just 1 year of study in Canada? Am I eligible to apply for permanent residency after completing just 1 year of study? We'll have the answer to that question after the break. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video so others may see more videos like this, and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. I'll be right back. Welcome back. I'm Donovan Francis, and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help skilled workers who are inside Canada and those who are outside Canada to become Canadian permanent residents without having to deal with all of the complicated legal forms and immigration laws that are part of that process. Now, we recently got a question from one of our subscribers, Alvin Martin, and Alvin is wanting to find out if he comes to Canada and studies for 1 year, if that will be sufficient to make him eligible to apply for permanent residency inside Canada. Of course, I would not be able to say definitively whether or not he would qualify without knowing the details of his file, and even if he were to qualify, I wouldn't be able to say definitively whether or not his application would be successful. Having said that, however, it is important to note that Canadian work experience and Canadian education, studying in Canada, gives you additional points when applying for permanent residency under the Express Entry program. So the bottom line is that it is going to be to your advantage if you have if you have studied in Canada, even if it's a 1 year program, and if you've worked in Canada at least for 1 year, that's going to be to your advantage. Now, for those persons who don't understand what the Express Entry system is and how it works, the Express Entry system is a process that the government uses to choose eligible applicants, people who are applying under the different, under one of 3 immigration streams. The Express Entry system is used to identify those who are most eligible, those who've accumulated the most points based on work experience inside Canada and outside Canada, education inside Canada and outside Canada, their age, and their ability in speaking English or French. So Express Entry evaluates and helps the government to choose persons who are then going to be selected for permanent residency. So Express Entry is important. And so the experience you gain inside Canada is going to help with your Express Entry score, and the fact that you've gotten Canadian education is also going to be invaluable. Having said that, however, for persons who have studied inside Canada and who are currently inside Canada, there is a stream, a program that allows you to apply for permanent residency. It makes it easier for persons who are here, who've studied here, who've worked here to apply for permanent residency. It's called the Canadian Experience Class. Now, in order for you to be eligible to apply under this program, you must have at least 1 year of Canadian work experience. You must have worked in Canada for at least 1 year to be eligible to apply. So what it means, Alvin, is that if you've studied in Canada, okay, and you've studied for only 1 year, then it's likely that you're only going to be issued a 1 year work permit, okay? So programs of study inside Canada, the duration of the study is aligned to the duration of the work permit, all right? And so if you study for 1 year, you're likely going to only get a 1 year work permit. And if you only get a 1 year work permit, then it means that you will only have 1 year to work before you then can apply for your permanent residency application. And it really gives you a very narrow window within which to gain the minimum required experience and then to put the application through and to wait for the application, for the processing to begin, and to ensure that you continue to have legal status in Canada. It becomes more challenging, okay? And so because of that, we encourage our clients to at least, if they're looking to study in Canada, to look to do at least a a 2-year program. Or if you're doing a master's degree, then there are typically persons doing master's degrees, even where those degree programs are not quite 2 years long, are able to qualify for 3-year work permits. And if you qualify for a 3-year work permit, then it means that you are likely going to have more time to get the required 1-year work experience inside Canada, and you'll have sufficient time to put the application through, and you would have eliminated all of the anxiety that you otherwise will face if you only completed 1 year of study and by virtue of that became eligible for only a 1-year work experience. All right, so that's going to be important. So I trust that that answers your question, Alvin, and I trust that that answers the question of everybody else out there who might have been unclear. Thanks so much for tuning in. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video so others may see more videos like this. And as always, check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. You're able to schedule a free call with us on that site. Thank you, and see you again next time.